Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. I'm glad to meet you all. Before starting our presentation today, let me introduce myself. I'm Yoli Prananda and I'm from Rupat. Okay, next slide. Background. Sepak takraw is a popular sport game in the Southeast Asia region. The ball played in the sport is a rattan ball which is hammered. And if volleyball, sepak takraw is one the of favorite type of Asian sport. How to play it is quite this point. So only a handful of people can do it. This game is more popular in Asia because the history of sepak takraw is related of Malay Sultan era. Uh, the unique thing about sepak takraw is in the shape and material of the ball, which come from rattan. So it is much lighter than ball for soccer, basketball, and volleyball. Let us continue to the next slide. Story sepak takraw. The game sepak takraw has a long history that began about a century ago. This game was classified as exclusive at that time because the players were only people in the Malay royal place. Sepak takraw was also known as sepak raga or sepak rago in Malay before final being named sepak takraw in the origin of the term is a combination of Malay and Thailand. Sepak takraw means teach Malay and takraw means fighting Thai. The naming is also based on an agreement between Thailand and Malaysia. So, Malaysia and Thailand have introduced the sport of sepak takraw to the international world. Okay, next slide. Story sepak takraw in Indonesia. As one of the countries close to Malaysia and Thailand, sepak takraw has of course also entered Indonesia. The sport sepak takraw began the entered Indonesia around Malaysia and Singapore are the countries that brought it to Indonesia. At that time, Malaysia fished around September under the leadership of Enci Khair Johari. The masters of the sepak takraw game to explain is serves such as Medan, Bandung, dan Jakarta. Okay, next slide. Development sepak takraw in Indonesia. Sepak takraw nets atau per competition begin to be compete national. It's point 10 in until new format. In point Portmore since the weight point. 3 point or qualifying round has been held because sepak takraw has been development and development to Indonesia except Maluku province which only format its Pangda. The qualifying round of for PON women sepak takraw at PON was completed for exhibition only at the PON in Jakarta. It was official contest and participation by the region Riau, Jakarta, dan Sulawesi, Central Sulawesi, and Central Kalimantan. Meanwhile, sepak takraw bulatan Sirser game was only office centered in the PON Surabaya, both men and women. Next, PSTI logo, Indonesian Takraw Football Association. Organisation Sepak Takraw Indonesia. On March, organization was formed select the All Indonesia Football Association Perserasi with General Chairperson Dr. M. Yunus Akbar and as advisor to Major General Supardi, Director General of Sport and Youth. M.F. Siregar, Director of Sport, General of Center KONI, and Seworo, Deputy Secretary General of Central KONI. Original PB Perserasi is only supported by 4 regional administration names Sulawesi, Riau, Sumatera, dan Sumatera Utara. As the PB Nation Conference Perserasi which has held on in conjunction with the national inter-team champions. The result of the deliberation were agreed upon by and Pemprov Indonesia. One of the decisions was that name Perserasi was changed to PSTI, Persatuan Sepak Takraw Association. Oke, terakhir terima kasih atau thank you so much for your great action.